Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. This is 2013 Infiniti G37 rear window broken. We replaced it, and if you take everything out and you try to replace the window just the way that most windows get replaced, you drop it sideways. This one you can't drop it sideways. You're not gonna be able to do that. You'll have to take this middle part out with the rubber piece right here. So how you do that, there's two bolts on the bottom. You have to take the whole assembly out. I'll show you how to do this because we already done this. You got one bolt, two bolts, and there's a small bolt right there, a small screwdriver, screw, that Phillips screw. You take them out and then you pull the whole piece out. Once you pull this piece out, which is the tracks for the window, once you pull that completely, you can pull it out of the window, and then you can slide the window, and you'll have a lot more space on this side to bring the window down, and then you can hook up the window back into the track, and you bring back the track back, bolt it back, and you'll have the window in. Other than that, you're not gonna be able to do this job. We tried everything. I didn't see any videos online, so I decided to make this video for everybody to see and be able to do their window. You're not gonna be able to do it unless you take this middle part out. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my channel.